Hi guys, I got some animals in my garden and they're all free running. And several weeks ago I built this automatic feeder. And it works great. And I will share it to you. So I organized a wildlife camera and set it up for 24 hours. And it took around about 300 pictures in that time, and I will show them to you in under 1 minute. And after that I will show you the thing and the mechanism behind it more closely. So if you also need one, you can rebuild this. Let's go! So as I promised, here is a closer look to the mechanism of the automatic feeder. So the first screw is attached to the box, the second screw just connects the two metal pieces, and the third screw is connected with the lid. And the same thing on the other side. Just make sure that the footplate is wide enough so it opens early enough so the animals aren't getting scared from the opening lid. And in the lid I added some washers for some extra weight so it will close nicely. And here in the back I added a metal piece so I can put a rock on it and prevent the box from tipping over when it's almost empty. So it works absolutely great. The food stays in the box, it's always dry even when it's pouring rain, and if you have animals, think about building your own. Thanks for watching and feel free to like or subscribe. Thank you.